Hello class 6 students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So, as the syllabus of PT1 is already finished and we have already discussed worksheet of chapter 2 and chapter 3, we have also discussed different type of questions from chapter 3. So now here uh, the different type of questions from chapter 2 which we have already studied, but for the quick revision you need to listen these questions and understand, and the questions those you don't know you can write in notes as well. So but all the question need not to write because everything has been discussed in the concept, and many long questions you have already solved. So the first question is, what are the main steps involved in brainstorming session? This is the question discussion session from chapter 2. What are the main steps involved in a brainstorming session? You already know. So I have already given you to write the answer of this question. Now here, true or false based question. Brainstorming is a technique for generating ideas. Yes, it is true. In a brainstorming session, people or participants individually think about a given topic. So here it is not about individually, it is about team. So it is false. During brainstorming, the ideas, knowledge and questions from each person are discussed on their merits. No, it is also false. On the merit, it is not discussed. It is on the basis of knowledge, it is discussed. It does not mean merit will considerable here. So the purpose of a brainstorming session is to generate through a list of solutions. Yes, it is right. True. After that, question number third, fill in the blanks with correct words. Brainstorming is a technique for generating ideas. Generating ideas. Mind map is a visual representation of the information related to a topic. These questions can framed from the concept of brainstorming and mind map. Here narrate one situation where brainstorming can be used to solve a problem. It is an activity based question. You can take many topics, such as you can take topic as buying a computer. This is a situation. You have to buy a laptop. So you can generate brainstorming session regarding what types of laptop, which one is good, what is the price of different laptops, like that you can brainstorm, and after that you can mind map. Another example is you can make brainstorming and on living things, and you can generate idea as nervous system, respiratory system, digesting system, bones, like that. You can also generate the sub topics from these topics like this. Now here, a brainstorming session is conducted by group of 5 students: Jack, Johnny, Jill, Mary and Donald. Number of steps in sequential order by filling the boxes given below. So you have to number the steps here. Here it is 1 to 6 steps, it has been already given. So you can study all the steps. So here I am telling you, I have already studied all the steps. So here I am telling you the correct steps so that it will not take much time. So first step will be uh, Donald gathered the friends and arranged them in semicircular arrangement. This is first step is to sitting arrangement. So after that, second statement, he volunteered to conduct the session and write the ideas generated on the board. Second, third is Johnny, Jack, and Jill and Mary started to generate ideas. After that, you can write each of them waited till other finish and the idea is noted down on the board. After that, you can also write next step as the board was filled with ideas and they could not think of any more, they decided to end the session. After that, the last step is Donald took few snaps of the board to record the generated ideas. So in this way you can do. Here Manu, Ami, Kil, Bipin and Jasmeet are brainstorming to generate ideas on school event alternative energy source. So list basic generate steps of brainstorming session that they will follow. So you can here also you can here follow the guidelines for brainstorming from your textbook. Follow the guideline and you can generate idea on alternative energy source as you have studied in science. So these are the activity based question. You should planning a vacation, you have to generate an idea. Here group, it is a group activity, it is also a group activity. Conduct a brainstorming session at home class on role of newspaper in our life. So on this you have to make a brainstorming so that in future you can make a mind map also. These are the activity based questions, so you can study and you can also do for practice. These are the activity based question. Conduct a brainstorming session at home class. What do you expect from a new Nokia, Apple and Android mobile? So you can think and generate the ideas. These are the activity based questions. All these are activity based questions. Here the Sumit, Sonia and Meera are in the middle of brainstorming session on the concept of secularism. Identify the guideline that is being followed and one guideline that is not being followed by the group. This type of question we have already discussed in the worksheet. So I don't think it should be revised, but here I'm just, since it is a quick revision, so I'm just highlighting how you have to give the answer. If next question same type will come, I will escape that. Sumit, freedom of choice. Sonia, a principle that demarcates the state from religious institutions. Meera, democratic. Sonia, let's first start with the definition. Guideline followed correctly. Means here what are the guidelines which is followed correctly? So you can write uh, in the session guideline, Sonia is interrupting the free flow of ideas of the group. Means here, see, Sonia is telling a principle that demarcates the state from religious institutions. Then Sonia, let's first start with the definition. Means here, it is guideline is not followed. So Sonia is interrupting the free flow of ideas of the group. This is not the same flow in which Sonia is going. First, it is she is asking another sentence, and second, it is different from the first one. So guideline is not followed. 13. Same questions, so you can just do it. This type of question we have already made. So 14 question, you can look at the 14 number question. Here you have improves uh, fill up the heading for categorization in the given mind map. Improves problem solving, project management, team building. So what you have to do is, you have here the topics are given, you have to just fill it. So why brainstorm? You can here write individual idea, which is not given here. You can also here, so here you can write problem solving, issues, root cause, alternative solution. After that, why brainstorm? Improves initiative, innovation, quality, profitability, efficiency, and moral. And here, ideas, possibility, and alternatives. So you can write here project management. Here, shared discussion for team building. Shared discussion. So in this way, you can fill up this box. So here it is project management. Here problem solving, here improves, and here it is team building, and here it is individual idea. You can write as per your choice, because here the no subtopics are given. Next is same here, fill up the given information and complete the mind map. Here the main topic is buying a laptop. So budget, information, purpose, you can write many things. So you can categorize based on the data here, generate reports not less than 50,000, read colors. So on the basis of data, you can fill this information. After that, this is a very easy question. That type of question, gather information on human body, means you have to first do brainstorming session, and you can generate ideas like bones, respiratory system, nervous system. So you have already studied. Same, take the list of generated ideas from brainstorming session and categorize it under appropriate level. 16 and 17 question is same. Means, sorry, 17 question is related to the 16 question. Now 18. Here, categorize the similar items by ticking option and specify the criteria. Here, so I will give you question you are looking. So I will give you the explanation and answer, so that you can, it will not take much time. So here in 80 number question, except taproot is a part of roots, but others are a part of flowers. So odd one is taproot. 19 question. Categorize the similar item by ticking option same here. Oman, Bangkok, Libya, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Russia, India. You can write here Libya is African country and Russia is European country, but all other are Asian countries. On the basis of that, you can categorize. Similar here, latitude Antarctica. So here you can simply Antarctica and Europe is the continent where all are latitude, prime meridian, north pole. You have already studied in geography, I think so. So all these are lies on the earth surface. So here 21 categorize the similar item and specify the criteria. Here part of a speech, this is a very easy. Similar here 22. In 22 here you can write a concept of prime. So here 11, 23 and 2 and 3, sorry 3 and 19. These are the prime numbers, or others are odd and even numbers. Next, same questions are there from different categories. So here Sundarban in West Bengal, and after that except and Sundarbans in West Bengal, after that beech, fir, maple are the names of trees, whereas all are the types of forest. See, all are the types of forest. So till this question, so here I am just stopping it. You have already idea about how the questions will can be framed from your concept. So thank you very much. Your syllabus has been finished in all the way. So thank you and get ready for the exam. Thank you very